Everyone's lives have been made infinitely easier thanks to digital tech. We're all digital, yet so many of us still waste time entering details by hand. That's why we created Compumagic's QR code solution, an innovative way to share contact details with your network quickly and efficiently. Our solution generates a QR code for you for sharing a vCard. Just scan one static QR code to give all of the contact information you want to another person. Impress others and grow your network in an efficient and sustainable way. Enjoy faster communication. Sending a QR code that has your contact information is a foolproof way of relaying the information you want contacts to have, straight into the input fields of the contacts section of your recipient's phone, if you choose to do so. Spice up business cards. Our vCard QR code for physical business cards make users stand out and more convenient to use. QR codes fit into any business card design. If you're on your way to a meeting and you want to make an impression without carrying all the extras, just use our QR code, business card, on your mobile phone, which has your company logo and colors for brand recognition, and send it to the others at the meeting so they can keep any contact and social media details of yours right away. Compumagic's QR codes is a simple and effective way to bring contact details sharing into the digital age in a seamless manner. Grow network effortlessly. Let's end your contact details sharing hassles together. Schedule a quick demo meeting using the link below.